Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where my mother-in-law's cooking is like a hug. It warms my belly, but it does nothing else for me. Today we're going to make mole verde. To a large pot, add about 8 cups of water, 3 pounds of chicken drumsticks, quarter of an onion, and 1 large minced clove of garlic. And now we're going to get this boiling. Now that our chicken has boiled, we've added 4 serrano peppers and 8 tomatillos. We're just letting them cook a little bit. We're letting them go from their dark green to a nice light green. We don't want to overcook them, just cook them just enough. Now that they're getting to their nice light green color, more yellowish green, we're going to add them to our blender. Then add in our 4 serrano peppers. And if you want it a little less spicy, you can always add jalapenos instead. And to our blender, we're also going to add in 1 jar of Doña mole verde. One tablespoon of chicken bouillon, 1/4 of an onion. Now I got room for the rest, so we're going to blend this up. And now we blend. Gonna add in 1 whole bunch of cilantro. And about 3 leaves of romaine lettuce. And now we blend. Sauce is a little thick, so let's add a couple cups of water. And I just used the water the chicken boiled in. Now we're going to set our sauce aside and get our pan ready. And we add about a tablespoon of manteca to the pan. Or if you don't have manteca, just use any oil. Now we're going to add our sauce to the pan. Just going to let this sauce heat up. Now if you want, you can add more liquid to that if you want it thinner. We like ours a little thicker. Now we're going to add our chicken into there. Now it's time to dig in. Now it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. For our Gringo, Ole Verde is very good. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.